I just wanted to make a quick video regarding whole house surge protectors that can be installed in your circuit breaker panel. This circuit breaker panel is a Square D home line panel, and you'll see right down here I had 2 available spaces. That's where I installed the home line surge breaker or surge protector, and the light is green, indicating everything is fine right now. But if there's a power surge, this will take that surge and will protect everything in this breaker. So your appliances, your electronics, lighting circuits, etc. It's a really great feature to have to protect your home's electrical system. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or would like me to do videos on other topics related to facilities maintenance, home maintenance. I'd be happy to do so. Thanks. Bye-bye.